out, motherfucker! Hey guys! Yeah! Today we're gonna do an oil change. So we're gonna need a couple of things. Well, first of all, we're gonna need something to put the oil in, the old oil, so we don't pollute the environment. So yeah, we're gonna need a knife and one of these, I don't know, 5-liter bottles. Yeah, I'm gonna cut a little hole right here at the top. Yeah, so it should look something like that. I'm gonna place it under the pit bike, just under this thing right here, because this is the screw you gotta take out. You're gonna need a number 17 wrench, I think. But first, gotta check the old oil level so I get an idea of how much I gotta put in later. So take the dipstick out, clean it real good. Yeah, and then put it back in while keeping the bike level. And a good idea would be, like I did before I started recording, start it up a little bit, take it for a 5-minute ride, then let it cool down a bit, and then do the oil change. Yeah, let's see about that level. So it's just above the limit. Anyway, so about almost 1 liter of oil, 4-stroke engine oil. So yeah, I've been breaking in the engine for a while now, and I think it's about time I changed that motherfucking oil. We're also gonna need one of these so you can pour the oil through the dipstick gauge. Yeah, let me get my wrench real quick. Okay, so here's my wrench. Now take the dipstick off, or just unscrew it a little bit so it can catch a little bit of air through there and drain the oil quicker. Okay, I'm gonna place this right underneath here. If you look underneath your pit bike, if you got one of these Chinese pit bikes, you're gonna notice a little screw right here. You're gonna need to take that out carefully. Yeah, I think it's about right. You're gonna have to unscrew this real carefully. Ah, fuck. Well, that ain't good. Motherfucker is really tight in there, little bitch. Maybe if I hit it with a rock or something. So I managed to unscrew this little bitch. And we gotta take it out real carefully. Be careful not to drop it inside. And voila! There's the old oil dripping down. Yeah, and this is the screw. Afterwards, carefully dispose of the oil, something like that. Wiggle it around till all the oil comes out. Come on, baby. Yeah, stick it in there, leave it like that. Come on, baby. Drip, drip for me. Squirt for me, baby. Yeah. Oh shit. Fuck that shit. Yeah. So I think all the oil got out. I think I'm gonna clean this real quick around here, something like that, and then carefully place this back over here. Yeah, be careful not to over tighten it, because you have to remember it is a Chinese bike and these weren't made for hard use. Okay, tighten that. Okay, let's get the old oil. Here it is. Ooh, motherfucking black break-in oil. Oh shit, I forgot about the dipstick. And it's fucking dirty. Motherfucking dirty. Motherfucking dirty. Dirty, dirty. But first, gotta get my beer. Okay, so I got here some 4-stroke semi-synthetic 10W40 engine oil. 1 liter of it. So it comes with a gauge. Let's see, about 800 and a bit, I think. Let's see. Yeah, pouring that oil. Yep, gotta go a little bit more. Let's take a little reading, shall we? Yeah. So this is level. Ooh. It's just about right, actually. So let's check this bitch again. Level the bike. So it's nice. As you can see, the oil reached somewhere around here, actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go like this. And then after I take it for a little spin, check it again. If you look, see here, I got just about 200 milliliters left. Okay guys, let's take it for a ride. See how it performs now. Okay, hope I got everything right. the new oil. Kinda sounds pretty awesome. Woo-hoo! Okay, so what's over here? Yeah. Woo-hoo! Burnout, motherfucker! Oh shit. Okay guys, so I guess you have to run the bike for a little while before flooring it after you change the oil. Whoa, would you look at this? Okay, so epic fail guys, so maybe give it another go, but it's pretty fucking sandy over here. Gonna try to floor it. Nope, no luck whatsoever. Oh shit, I think I'm stuck. Well, ain't that a bitch? Nope, too motherfucking sandy for this bitch. That's nice. Yeah. Whew. Epic oil change, guys. Okay, let's try another twisty. Yeah. Semi donut. Whoa, fuck. oil change video for my pit bike. So don't forget to leave it to run for a while after changing the oil before you floor it, because the engine might stall on you. Woo! Motherfucker! That was a motherfucking nice jump. Yeah, drifting this bitch. Yeah guys, so thanks for watching, and as always, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. So until next time, peace.